Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kinds of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website MPIinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market yesterday, the Nifty continued to show power. In fact, as the US markets were closed yesterday, Nifty could be seen opening at 17,546 and continued to rally up to 17,665. Yes, we had a strong closing at 17,665, which was good rise. But then, if you look at how the FIs and DIs performed, the FIs have sold for 811 crores and DIs have bought for 533 crores. So, in fact, the FIs have gone on a selling mode after the Jackson Hole Symposium. And, we probably, like I told you, will wait for more details that would come in by the weekend from the US market. So, as for yesterday, the US markets were closed for Labor Day, and that's why we don't have any major news coming in from US. And that's exactly why we can see some power in the Nifty already. Wait, I'll talk about it little later. Now, the major news which we need to be focused on is OPEC. So the oil producing companies association has actually decided to cut down their production for the first time this year. So this is not looking good majorly, of course, because the concerns of the economy getting into trouble. So with all that, if the production is going down, definitely it's going to increase the prices. So that is something that's already seen yesterday. We could see the crude oil prices going up slightly. So that can be a little concern for India. But then, when fuel prices go up, one good thing for Nifty is, when Reliance, being an oil refining company, when crude oil prices go up, they make more profit. So then we can see Reliance supporting the Nifty. So that is what happened yesterday also. As this news came, we could see Reliance moving upwards. So that could actually support Nifty as well. So apart from that, if you come to some stock specific news, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank has already subscribed 83% on day one. Of course, it was kind of expected, so that is doing good. But apart from that, if you look at the interesting rumors that run in the stock market, so yesterday there was a rumor that said that Federal Bank is considering a merger talk with Kotak. And immediately we could see Federal Bank shooting up and touching an all-time high of 129.75. In fact, Pro Shivanda was smart enough to book some very good profit at 128, and I think he must be sitting with more than 30 to 40% profit there. So yes, after that, the company has come out and refuted the information and says that they don't have any plans with merger right now. So that is something that is happening on that counter. But apart from that, we could see JSW Steel going up by almost 3% as LIC, the biggest institutional in India, has actually invested or raised the stake in the company. So that is something looking good. But as we discussed yesterday in the morning podcast, Paytm was seen falling majorly after the enforcement directorate is conducting raids in their Bangalore office over the Chinese loan case. So, there are news that the company has offered easy loans on through mobile, which is actually lended by Chinese people. So that's something the probe is going on, though things are not confirmed. In fact, Paytm came out and say that they are not involved in anything like that. But still, until things are clear, the market will actually keep Paytm weak. So that's it for now. Today being Tuesday, I am of course getting ready for my BNI meeting, which you all know. So this is an early morning podcast. But one thing I would say for this week, as the monsoons are high, we could see Bangalore being flooded across. So with all this, not only Bangalore, the entire India's country is getting good rainfall. So of course, this is not a great time for infra companies. So because the construction is not going to happen at full swing. So with all this, the cement prices are going to decline in some time, which can actually give the cement stocks also at a good price. So our focus would be on cement stocks. As and when some good opportunity comes, we should be entering into cement stocks. And when I do that, of course, I will be sharing in our community. So apart from that, if you look at the global Asian markets for today, we can see Hong Kong kind of trading again in the negative. They are down 1%. And we also can see Japan up by 0.49%. And Korea is up by 0.4%. So it's again a mixed day today. So if you look at Indian market, SGX Nifty is already indicating a gap up, a big gap up of almost 70 points from the yesterday's close. So this is as of 6:40. So let us see how things change by 9 o'clock. So I may not be active at the time the market opens, but then yes, I'm holding some positions, and I'm sure Gold Club members are also holding some good positions, which should be in good profit today, since the market is opening within control. So today is Tuesday already, and Wednesday and Thursday, just one more day to expiry after today. So that is something that we look forward to. Yet another beautiful, powerful and profitable expiry this week. And yes, of course, this week has been really good for me, as the alternate trades that I've been taking has been giving really good profits, and already sitting with more than 2% of profit on my capital. So adding another 1% from the options trading can actually give out about 3% this week. So that should be really good for me. Yes, like I told you, this is something new I'm trying for intraday kind of trading, and that should probably give us some good returns as we do. So once I am set, of course I'll be sharing it in the Gold Club. So with that, let us look forward to yet another profitable day, and Nifty keeps powering on, and you never know when it is going to make a big move. So like I wrote in the title, if you see the way Nifty has been consolidating within a tight range for all these days, I would say Nifty is actually getting ready for a big move. So the big move can be either upwards or downwards, but then important levels to watch, I would say, on the upside is continuing to be 17,700 to 17,800, because 17,700 to 800 has been a major resistance, and if that is broken, then we can expect a big move towards 18,000. But then on the lower side, 17,400 remains the important support. If broken, can continue to be bearish. So these are two levels to be watched for this week, and I would say yes, Nifty could be consolidating for this expiry also probably. So with that view, let us look forward to make some good profits over the week. With that, this is Srikant Rajan signing off. But until we catch up on the next podcast tomorrow morning. But before we leave, do press the like button if you love the content. That actually motivates us to bring in more such content. And do share this podcast with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us together. So with that, this is Srikant signing off. Have a great day.